1. Kawasaki unveils a $3,000 transport robot dog that just hit the market. YouTube HTTPs www.youtube.com. Watch V. Lee Wif FJF transcript 0. Robot dogs are no longer the stuff of dreams. Japan just unveiled the first transport robot dog, which has shocked the whole world. Other countries like China, the US, and even Turkey are in desperate need to manufacture robotic animals for war, rescue, and even entertainment. Today, we present to you the most advanced and mind-blowing robot dogs in history. Stay tuned. Kawasaki Heavy Industries unveiled Koryo, a hydrogen-powered robot during the Osaka Kana Expo 2025. This robot is equipped with 4 legs and is designed to be adaptable and stable. Instead of using wheels or treads, balance systems Acru controls. With this, Koryo can confidently traverse steep hill ranges, uneven floors, forest floors, and other terrains which typically hinder vehicles. While Koryo might seem like a piece from a science fiction movie, potential applications are already being considered. Currently, Koryo is under consideration for military logistics, which includes traversing equipment across impassable places, like assisting evacuation operations and performing reconnaissance tasks without putting a human at risk. But military zones are not Koryo's only area of usefulness. Hydrogen fuel cells make it an appealing option as an environmental alternative compared to battery-powered or diesel machines. This makes it useful for ecological monitoring, response to disasters, and exploring remote sites. Its design allows for excellent handling and weight distribution on all 4 legs. Engineers are working on autonomy-enhancing features, which would enable real-time decision-making while navigating complex environments. Danny Duncan, a prominent YouTuber, made rounds on the internet after purchasing a robotic dog containing a flamethrower for $100,000. Featured in one of his videos, the robot, dubbed Therminator, showcased mesmerizing capabilities and became an overnight internet sensation. From a video showcasing Duncan's numerous attempts at testing the robot's responsiveness and capability to navigate various forms of terrain, its flame-throwing abilities captured audiences' attention during what Duncan labeled fire for pranks decorative pyrotechnics. The first of its kind, Therminator is a quadrupedal robot equipped with an ARC flamethrower capable of shooting flame up to 9 miles. The device can be controlled over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth through a smartphone, showcasing versatility in its range of control. The robot contains a LR system for mapping and navigation, a first-person camera for remote observation, and a laser sight for targeting fire. All remarkable features adding to the extensive capabilities held within. The weight of the Therminator equates to 16 kilos, allowing the robot to function mechanically for 45 minutes. Manufactured by Aselsan, a Turkish defense company, Sabo is a multifunctional battlefield robot that can surveil, assist in firepower, and handle hazardous materials. It serves as a soldier unit in automated high-threat zones with advanced arms and military technology. Sabo patrols high-threat zones as it accomplishes tasks with near-perfect autonomy, complemented by its advanced military technology, including full battlefield automation with a powerful suspension and sharp steering. Sabo can traverse off-road terrain like traditional vehicles struggle, demonstrating unrivaled mobility. Moreover, with a full charge, Sabo can autonomously perform tasks for 8 hours. It has a top speed of 25 km/h on flat terrain and carries a weight of 200 kilos. Low lighting and poor weather do not hinder Sabo, as it can still deliver clear visuals, with its high-definition optics and infrared vision. Furthermore, Sabo is able to detect threats from long distances using sensitive radars and other detection systems. Additionally, armed grenade launchers and other firearms can be mounted with Sabo, enabling remote combat without human presence. Its exterior provides protection against shrapnel, small arms fire, and even explosives. China is enhancing their defense technology with automated systems for combat that are changing the face of warfare. At the most recent Airshow China exhibition, A video surfaced showing a group of self-directed robotic dogs boarding transport vehicles and starting a coordinated advance accompanied by no humans. These tactical units, subcontracted by China Electronics Technology, are called robotic wolves, which mark a milestone in combat robotics development. These robots can autonomously exit vehicles, conduct tactical drills, and execute tactical maneuvers using artificial intelligence instruction. Some models are equipped with mounted weapons, enabling them to provide combat support, perform surveillance, and coordinate with human troops in real time. Designed for autonomous operations in war zones, their AI permits real-time threat analysis, environmental scanning, and mission completion with the smallest possible input or guidance. This has caused concern, especially in the Western world, because of the prospective disproportionate advantage such technology would create on battlefields. The robots are made to be adaptable and agile, able to traverse rough terrains and adjust their tactics based on changing conditions. Chinese robotics company Unit has improved their quadrupedal robot B2W, boosting its mobility, efficiency, and operational endurance. Hybrid locomotion, now offered by the B2W, integrates wheeling and rolling for faster and more stable movement. Designed for extreme environments, the robot undergoes continuous improvement in obstacle handling and terrain. Adaptability since mass production started a year ago. B2W moves at a remarkable 6 meter pers, ascends stairs with 20 to 25 centimeter step heights, and clears 40 centimeters high obstacles. While stationary, it can support 120 kilos and dynamically 40 kilos during motion. Enhanced structure allows better balance and agility, vital for complex missions to provide logistic supports in remote locations or exploring dangerous areas. Battery efficiency is a standout feature. When unloaded, the robot can function over 5 hours, traversing 20 kilometers. With a 20 kilos payload, it can be functional over 4 hours, covering 15 kilometers. This makes it ideal for field tasks where power preservation and dependability are critical. The New York Police Department has begun implementing city patrols with Digi dog robotic canines patrolling the sidewalks. Mayor Eric Adams thinks that public safety and public services are essential and needs technology for better performance. Digi dog units developed by Boston Dynamics are designed to maneuver through tight alleyways, stairs, and uneven ground where officers or vehicles would struggle. These agile robots will be used in operations critical to society, bomb detection, hostage situations, and search and rescue missions. The mayor underlined how they could better respond to emergencies and save lives. Some activists have voiced concerns about surveillance and misuse, but Adams stands firm that the focus is on impact. DigiDog first debuted in 2020 when NYPD deployed it during a building standoff with an armed suspect. In 2021, it was also used during a home invasion case. Both deployments sparked public debate. Opponents guarded robotic policing, arguing that it endangers privacy and takes away democracy. Despite the pushback, the city is moving forward with plans to use Digi dogs as everyday emergency response team members. Unlike drones, they walk on the ground like a dog, climbing and assessing dangerous situations without exposing human personnel to risk. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology is home to the astonishing yet not beautiful robot cheetah, which might not win any beauty contests, but sprints at impressive 25.1 mph, still significantly below the real cheetah's speed. But robot cheetah has the upper hand as it learns by itself. Performing agile maneuvers such as backflips and recovering from falls always proves to be difficult, but versatile. Researchers designed a control system that collaboratively enables the robot to objectively cross uneven terrain in real time, without dealing with prior mapping. The autonomy exhibited means highly complex mechanisms deal with more sophisticated systems. As the inventors put it, building it is like putting Lego bricks together, making it perfect for many different trials and studies. The quick part swap capabilities of the mini cheetah help reduce downtime during testing, which further enhances its modular design. It can be deployed to different environments without causing damage due to its lightweight frame, which is an advantage in laboratories, outdoor fields, and mobile testing zones. It surpasses pre-scripted robots because it continually improves, with every test, learning to adapt to new challenges. Kawasaki Beck's engineers from Japan introduced a rather creative robotic goat built by Kawasaki Corporation. Unveiled at the Robo Development and Exhibition Global Expo, BX showed potential for assisting in agricultural labor. It can carry loads weighing 220 tons labi and operates in 2 modes. The first mode rolls on wheels while it walks on smooth terrain, and the second mode is mechanical legs on rough terrain. Both modes allow navigation by hand or automated navigation. The BX robot has modular upper bodies, which means it can change depending on the given tasks. While farming is one application, the versatility enables many other jobs to be performed. One-of-a-kind feature, it can kneel by folding its legs and transform into a scooter-like figure for fast movement along paved paths. The combination of legged agility with wheeled efficiency is accomplished in BX's dual mobility design. It's useful in claim-controlled environments where one type of movement would be insufficient. Kawasaki aims to resolve gaps in farming labor using BX, an easy-to-house robotic assistant that ensures care and precision along with assisting people. It would crop surveillance, terrain inspection, or fairy fresh harvests. Repair and customization is easy because of the modular design. The US military is currently experimenting with quadrupedal robots for potential battlefield assistance and autonomous sentry capabilities. During Operation Hardkill at Fort Drum, Ghost Robotics Vision, 60 robot dogs were deployed as part of a broader evaluation of robotic combat systems. These units are outfitted with drone destruction surveillance systems, ground activity monitoring systems, and in some test cases scoped AR-15 assault rifles for augmented firepower. The robots can be navigated by remote control through ruggedized tablets, which provide safer distances during rough terrain navigation. Their 4-legged structure enables impressive agility for climbing, pivoting, and patrolling with precision. Vision's 60 robots already participate in reconnaissance, surveillance, and perimeter defense operations. Their modularity is multifunctional. Various missions can be executed with different suspended payloads from arms to cameras and sensors. Their durability allows operations in harsh environments, while enhanced mobility expands operational reach beyond rigid terrain traversed by wheeled drones. Shenzhen OCAF Technology introduced Geo5, a patrol robotic dog fitted with sophisticated surveillance systems designed specifically for hostile environments for property security and patrol monitoring. The Geo5 delivers mobility, situational awareness, as well as interaction through AI. It employs 12 degrees of freedom in leg joint movements, which allows seamless navigation over challenging terrain as well as tight spaces. It can also ascend slopes of 45 degrees, run at a speed of 5 mph, and transport loads of 120 kilograms. The robot works for 2.5 to 4 hours, depending on the terrain and type of work for a single charge. It is responsive to voice commands issued by the operator in real time, ensuring its use in both fully autonomous and manual control modes. In addition to these features, the company adds plans for future builds with autonomous threat identification, enabling the robotic dog to independently adapt to evolving security challenges. Resembling a sleek animal, the Geo5 is biologically inspired but durable and machine-like. Current test evaluations are underway in controlled areas where drone and camera surveillance is ineffective. Its adaptability makes it useful for civilian, along with military security detail.